She's warm already, eh?
Yeah. It did this yesterday. It was like this.
How deep we got through? A couple of metres and then just scattered rock, yeah?
Pardon?
Scattered rock and a couple of metres deep?
Yeah.
Touch of rock there.
I like using them. At dead low tide, I like using little lures or a little paddle tail, like a 5-inch paddle tail.
Yep. What you got? Little trevally. Little fella. I'm not sure, man. He looks a bit on the small side.
Yeah.
Where there's one, there'll be another couple of hundred. Exactly. Bit of current line, bit of debris.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll come out around the islands, just gonna get the little atomic prong on, and Jack's got a little plastic on as well. The ultimate squid, I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we'll have a bit of a crack here, see what we can find on the plastics. I want that sun to get up higher out of the clouds so you can see a bit. Sight cast through the bombies, yeah.
Look, get him up. That's good. Get him up.
That's a good fish. He's a good fish, dude.
Yeah, you're right. It'll be a nice crowd.
4-inch atomic prong, baby. Come on.
Wow, look at that.
Finger. Oh, yes. Straight up. That's nice, dude. Good finger mark. I'm stoked with that. Cracking finger. That's what we come here for. Woo!
Good one.
You were doubting the light gear, bruh. Hey? Don't doubt the light gear now. Whew. It's a good fish. He'd be bloody 60 centimetres.
Yeah, he'd be close to that. Yeah, we just hold him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Finger mark, baby. How's that? 8 to 16 pound atomic arrows rod, 4,000 spin reel, and a 4-inch atomic prong on the bottom, first drift. That is a cracking finger mark. Glorious fish. Should be over 60 centimetres. Stoked with that. It went hard too. All right, mate. Let's get another one. I'm absolutely pumped with that finger mark. We're here in about 8 to 10 metres of water. I'm using relatively light gear. Jack's pretty much laughing at me because he uses like a 15 to 25 pound rod, 6,000 and 50 pound, 60 pound braid. Says you won't stop them. Well, the 8 to 16 pound arrow's done the job. Check these out at Anaconda, guys. They've got a good range of these in there and they are the best rod for the value for money. You will not get a better rod. Using 20 pound braid and only 30 pound leader there for that fish. That was only 30 pound, Jack, the leader.
You'll get it.
I'll get toweled up. He's laughing.
And then I'm gonna. Oh, you're on again, are you?
Yeah. Oh.
And there you go.
Got toweled up. Oh, damn it. Guys, this is what I was saying. I got that finger mark up and then I literally hooked something else, either another one of them or a trout, and I did get toweled up on that gear. So Jack said change to the bait cast gear. So I've gone the 16 to 20 pound Samurai refraction. It's got 60 pound leader. Back to the old faithful atomic prong. Same lure. We'll go again. There's some big fish down there and plenty of bait, so it's exciting. I'm shaking. We're doing this?
Yep.
Alrighty. Bait cast gear now. Close quarter combats with these things. Let's get to the bottom. I've got a 1/3 ounce jig head with a 4.0 hook on it. Atomic Seekers. Sink down nice and slow. I've only got about a 1/3 jig head on, so it's sink down nice and slow, but it's a slimmer profile lure, so it should get down no worries. Jack's got that bigger squid on, bigger profile, so he's got about a 3/4 ounce. We're both fine in the bottom, which is where we need to be for those fingers. I'm stoked with that fish. I don't get too many finger marks, so I'm very happy with that. We're Cruising up the creeks now, guys. Going to cast net for some gar so we can slab them and strip them up, and then go for our grunter with some fresh strip bait. How big's your cast net?
12 foot.
12-foot drawstring.
You want to go over that?
Other side? Righto.
Go forward a little touch. Go reverse. Got him.
You got one?
Yep. See, they've just spawned,
Yeah, righto.
and that's why you see a lot of the little gar.
This is a nice gar. I'll just hang in neutral, eh?
Yeah, you're right.
Pick this guy up, put him in the bucket.
Yeah, turn him in the bucket.
I'll check him in.
Yeah, little gar.
Try and put a bit in the shade there.
Oh, root safe.
What'd you see?
Oh, I think a couple of gar. They're just sitting down in a bit of dirty water.
Yeah.
Yeah, got them.
Got him? How many's there?
One or two.
A few little herring, oh yeah. A couple of garies.
That's a good thing about the drawstring, it is drop out.
Yep.
One big one. I
There's just the one in there?
Yeah.
See something shimmering in there?
Yeah, got a couple.
Reversing to close the net up.
3.
3?
Yeah. How deep is it, Luke?
Hey?
How deep is it?
2.8.
You're right. Oh, I've got some greenies. Yes.
What do you got?
Greenies.
Oh, nice herring.
Bait them like this.
Greenback herring. Nice.
Oh, we've got one escaping. Yeah, just good butterfly baits.
Yeah. Okay. Chuck him in there.
That finger banger.
These are good. Okay guys, time for some grunter fishing now with the baits. I've got my samurai reaction, 10 to 20 pound with me 4,000 diver sole and my 10 to 16 pound atomic arrows. I got the Fingermark on earlier. Got about a 3 or a 4 bean sinker down to a 5/0 Gamakatsu hook, octopus hook. We're going to use those strips of gar and crack on with some grunter hopefully. So what are you doing here, Jack?
Butterfly on it.
Butterfly and the herring. Must have a sharp knife, mate, because they're pretty skinny. So what do you do? Hook through the eye?
Hook through the eye and bring it back through about there.
Yeah, rightio. And just wafts down nicely on the way down, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Gar, they come all the way through. And I split the head in half.
Oh yeah.
Just the head in half just makes the bait presentation a little bit bigger.
All right. Fan these rods out a bit. One in the rod holder. I'm just out about 20 metres, is that all right?
Yeah, that's right.
How deep is it?
5 metres.
5 metres, okay, bit of line. Little size 3 bean sinker, so not a lot of weight, but you don't want a lot of weight. Get that there on the bottom, and then I'm going to put this in the rod holder and get the second one out.
Yeah, I'll show you.
That's right. Just keep feeding it on, yeah?
About 3 or 4 times. I actually feed it on past the hook,
Oh yeah.
so then you hook down about half, 3/4 of the way down the bait.
Feels like a beautiful fresh bait.
Oh.
Gave him a heap of line then too. Here he goes back.
You got him then.
Got him. Oh. Shark, you reckon?
No, I don't reckon that's a shark. Where's your line?
Coming over your way very quickly.
Got him. I got a shark.
Am I?
You're right, you go. You got a shark too.
What's the story? Shark. Little shark in the water. Not ideal.
Man.
What do you got, Jack? Same thing, bro.
That was a grunter. Oh, there you go.
Still there.
That fish.
I think it come off. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Get it.
I think this is a fish. I think this is a good fish.
Nah, it's a little one of those little shits.
You reckon?
Yeah. One, two. I got the shark.
Oh, you got a shark.
No, you got a queenie or something.
Oh, I got a shark.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I got one too.
Oh, mate. Seriously. Ah. Ah. Bloody hell, man. Ah. It's heavy.
Don't break your rod.
I won't break it. You might want to get this other rod.
Hang on, I got one too.
It's getting up high in the water. I'd say it's a bloody shark again, eh?
Oh no, this here's looking very gruntery.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, good grunter.
Good grunter, mate. Well done. Oh, that's a good one.
You got one too, I bet you.
I got a fish.
Yeah, you got a good
I got a grunter too.
Wait here, let's get this. Yeah, bring me over.
Alright.
Yes, you filming?
Yep. Ready?
Yo!
Yeah.
Alright, get our line. Oh, watch your line, Tim. Free spill.
Yep.
Free spill. We need to get line
Yep.
back in the water. Sit still.
Good fish.
Yeah, that's how you calm.
Double header of grunter. Alright, it's good. Double header of grunter. Good fish. Yours is bigger than mine, mate. That's a cracker. But yeah.
Does the job, doesn't it?
Yeah. They come through in waves, eh? They come through in schools. There's sharks, and then we thought we had sharks again, and then grunter. That's really good fish. Get them back in.
Ready? Go, Luke.
Where is it? It's the other
It's
side.
over top of this line.
Oh, thanks for the cuddle.
That's a grunter, I reckon.
It's not doing much now.
Yeah, I reckon that's a grunter. Is that over the top?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's a grunter, I think. Oh no, it's one of those other.
Bloody thing.
Yeah, take it over that side.
Yeah. Flaming thing.
Not me.
Remora.
Remora.
Yeah, guys, it's closing out the session. We usually do this on the water, but it was getting a bit rough out there. We were going to have one final fish, but we decided not to because it was just getting on in the day. We need to clean up a few things, but we got our 3 nice fish. We've got our Fingermark on there. He's about 60, 62. We've got a couple of grunter here, about 55 and 50. So, really nice fish. Really stoked with that, especially that Fingermark. That's a PB for me. And caught on the 8 to 16 pound atomic arrows rod. That's a pretty good catch. 20 pound braid, 30 pound leader, little 4,000. And got smoked on the next one. But hey, that's fishing. Really can't complain. Had a great day. Thanks Jack for showing me around, a little bit around the area, and a bit of bait fishing, which I don't do predominantly a lot of. But yeah, the best fish still come on lures, mate. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.